To download Battle.net on Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download Battle.net on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download Battle.net on your Android device, first of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, just simply tap on source icon and search for Battle.net. After search for it, click on the first option where you can see this icon for Battle.net. Tap on it, Blizzard Entertainment. Now just simply tap on Install button. As soon as you click on Install, Battle.net will start to download on your mobile device. It will take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speeds. As soon as it gets downloaded, it will appear on your mobile home screen. As soon as it gets appeared, just simply open the app and you'll be ready to play the games. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna download Battle.net on your Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.